Energize yourself with enthusiasm and positive attitude. Friends have ever tried to know what you are composed of and what you're capable of doing. You are a source of tremendous will and energy, and just by applying your willpower you can achieve anything that you like. Let us try to understand. Mental unwillingness to work is accompanied by listlessness and lack of energy. Enthusiasm and willingness go hand in hand. The greater the will, the more inexhaustible the energy. Will can be trained and developed to draw a continuous supply of energy into the body. Thoughts of fatigue shut off the supply of energy. Cosmic energy through the will feeds the medulla oblongata, which in turn feeds the 5 spinal plexuses. The life force in the plexuses carries on the telephonic work of the 5 senses through the sensory nerves. The work of the muscles and joints is done through the motor nerves. The same life principle charges the circulation, vitalizes each blood cell, and feeds every nerve. All these then together recharge the other cells of the body, and willingness. The cells are only condensed will and energy. They can be instantaneously renewed by the power of your strong unflinching will. Never say or think that you are tired. By doing so you become twice as tired and paralyze your willpower. This is the very instrument that must remain always active for drawing cosmic energy into your body. Keep smiling, keep active, keep yourself full of enthusiasm and willingness, and thus connected with the cosmic energy. Never mentally accept fatigue, no matter how much you feel it in your body. You can say, "My body needs rest" when you have worked hard, but avoid saying, "I am tired." As soon as you say that, the will is switched off and the energy from the medulla oblongata ceases to flow. Never talk tired, never think tired, and do not take on the consciousness of others who say they are tired. Take care of your body and give it rest when needed. You are a soul, a spark of inexhaustible vigor. By positive thoughts and an ever-willing attitude, your mind power will keep you vitalized.